Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about the structure of mammary gland, which is an accessory gland in female human reproductive system. As I discussed earlier, you can see this diagram. This is the female breast in sagittal section. Uh, See here, this is the outermost layer that is known as areola and then there is some ducts which is known as lactiferous ducts and which is full of milk. See here, then some broader area you can see here. This is ampulla. These are the alveoli, and this alveoli are full of that milk. Then these are the lobes. There are so many lobes in which so many alveoli are present and which opens into ampulla and then lactiferous ducts. This is a nipple. This is also called a teats, and lobes are 15 to 20 in numbers. These are the fat, and the amount of fat is variable uh, among individuals. So mammary glands are modified sweat gland, and this sweat gland play a very regenerative role in the skin damage. In case of burns, these epithelial cells produce more epithelial cells um, that forms new epithelia very soon, and circular pigmented area called areola, it is lies below it. Areola, this structure, this is pigmented area actually, and areola possess circular muscles, nerve endings and sebaceous gland. This portion possesses circular muscles, nerve endings and sebaceous gland. The cells of alveoli produce milk which is stored in the cavities or lumen of alveoli. As I told here, that this contains milk, and the alveoli open into mammary tubules and the mammary tubules into mammary ducts. So mammary duct from a broad mammary ampulla for storing milk. You see here that it has a broad structure known as ampulla. Ampulla is any structure which is somewhat broader than the other. uh, in yesterday you have seen during isthmus, ampulla and then infundibulum in fallopian tube structure. Then milk secretion occurs only after parturition. It means after the delivery of the baby. It is stimulated by prolactin hormone, and which prolactin hormone is secreted by anterior pituitary, and expulsion of milk is under control of another hormone called oxytocin. Oxytocin, which is posterior pituitary hormone, and first milk after parturition is called colostrum, which is full of immunoglobulin, which is very much important for a baby, for as it has so many antibodies, so it also called as immunity booster. Then constituents of the milk is fat, casein, lactose, mineral salts, vitamins and antibodies. So this is about the mammary gland. This as I told you that this is a type of modified sweat gland. Actually it is a modified sweat gland. This is also called as apocrine gland, which has a simple cuboidal epithelium and that surrounds a larger lumen. So due to their larger size, enormous volume of milk are produced must be produced, and these structure, these modified sweat gland, which I told you that they are the actually apocrine gland, they are androgen sensitive. These apocrine glands are androgen sensitive, means androgens stimulate their property. Androgen means hormones that is secreted by these ovaries can stimulate their properties. So this is the way for the milk secretion, like first alveoli lumen, then see here in this structure alveoli lumen, then mammary tubules, see this tubular structure, then mammary ducts, then these are the tubules, then these are the ducts, then these are the ampullas, and then lactiferous ducts which is present here, and then through teats or nipples it is out of the body. So this is all about the mammary gland and its secretion.